This is a video for tutorial purposes only. I'll be explaining an AND logic circuit. Here we have a hardwire version of a AND gate system. 5 volts, 1 k ohm resistor, a switch A and a switch B, and a lamp. In order for the lamp to turn on, switch A has to be closed and switch B has to be closed in order for the lamp to go on, to turn on. Here is the electrical logic symbology for an AND gate. This A would stand for switch A, the B would stand for switch B, the Y would be the output. Right here we have a truth table, and this will help illustrate this truth table. When A is not pressed, B is not pressed, there's no electron flow going through. When A is not pressed, B is pressed, still no electron flow goes through. When A is pressed, B is not pressed, no electron flow goes through. It's only when you have A pressed and B pressed that you do have electron flow going through. The Y is actually turned on. Right here we have a 7408 quad 2 input AND gate. Pin number 1 would be the A, pin number 2 would be the B, pin number 3 would be the Y, the output. Power comes in on pin 14, the negative goes out on pin number 7. Here we have an example of that circuit. Like I said earlier, when only one of them is pressed, like A or just B, the light doesn't turn on. It's only when you press both of them at the same time that the light does turn on. Here we have a PLC programming function for this. This is an examine if closed for push button 1. This is an examine if closed for push button 2. The push buttons themselves, we'll think of them as normally open push buttons. Since they are open, no logic flow can go through, turning on the pilot light number 1. When the normally open push button 1 closes, similar to this, and push button 2 closes, logic flow goes through. In other words, when the examine if closed is true, it'll allow continuity flow to go to here, up to here, but it stops here because this is false. It's only when this closes it becomes true and allows logic continuity to go through to the output, turning on the light. And that's how it works.